In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Google account step by step. Why would someone delete your Google account? One reason is privacy. Over time, Google collects a lot of personal data like emails, photos, search history, and more. If someone feels their data isn't secure or they want a fresh start, deleting their Google account helps protect their privacy and digital footprint. Let's get started. Open Gmail on your phone. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Google account from the drop-down menu. Go to Data and Privacy in your account settings. Scroll to More Options sections at the bottom of the page. Click on Delete your Google account to proceed. Confirm your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, or password. Take a moment to carefully read and understand what happens when you delete your Google account. This action is permanent and affects your data, services, and connected accounts. Scroll to locate two checkboxes and make sure you check both of them to agree to the terms. After clicking on Delete your account button, your Google account will be deleted permanently. Remember to back up your data before taking this step. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next video.